This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into OneDrive with the account that owns the file. This assures correct permissions. Once signed in, upload the file or navigate to the existing item because you must operate on the stored object. Now right-click the file or folder and choose Share. This is the first actionable move. You do this now so you can generate the single authoritative link. Make sure you are in the correct folder and see the Share dialog appear before continuing. Once the Share dialog is visible, click Copy Link to create the only official Share URL. This step centralizes access. Next, choose the link type. Anyone gives broad access. People in your organization restricts to your tenant, specific people is most secure because your choice controls who can open it. Make sure to set Edit versus View depending on whether you want changes allowed. You can also add an expiration date or password for extra control before copying the final link. After configuring permissions, click Copy and paste the link into your email or chat. That single URL is how others will access the item. Test the link yourself in a private browser to verify behavior exactly as recipients will see it. If the link does not work, check the file's share permissions and your organization's external sharing settings. These are common blockers. Adjust the link type or tenant policies. Then regenerate and retest until the link opens consistently for intended users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.